In this video, I'll be teaching you how to make delicious egusi soup that you can use for white rice, yam, or any type of fufu. Onion. In the pot, I have some turkey and shaki. I added salt, seasoning cube. Watch the video if you want to add anything or minus anything. Feel free to do that. This is ginger. After ginger, I added garlic. Thyme. Chili pepper. You can also use scotch bonnet pepper. So you stir it together, make sure everything is well combined. Please comment where you are watching from, okay? After make sure everything is mixed together, I will add water to cook it. I will cover it. So this is my egusi seeds, melon seeds. I'm going to wash it before blending it. This is crayfish. Select the dirt. Wash your crayfish before blending it. It's very dirty. I'll be adding tomatoes and onion. I've chopped it to help my blender. So I've already blended the tomatoes and onion. I'm checking on the meat on the fire. So right now I checked it and I saw that the shaki was still strong, and I don't want the turkey to overcooked. So I'm removing the turkey so that I will add water to the pot and allow the shaki to cook very well. You know, when shaki is not well cooked, you will not like it. Like this video, please. You can use any meat of your choice. You can use cow meat, goat meat, anyone at all. Grass cutter. So I'm adding water to make sure the shaki is well cooked. So I've already take the shaki away from the fire. I'm adding some vegetable oil to the pot. I added little onion to know whether it's hot a little. So this is fish. I just finished frying it. Mackerel fish. You can also use fresh fish, but I don't want it to scatter, so I have to fry it. I'm adding palm oil. That is tomatoes that I blended and onion. I blended the crayfish along with the egusi seed. So I will cover it and allow it cook. Look at the way it's looked now and look at when it's ready. You can see the difference. So this is the egusi that I blended, egusi seeds. I will just add it, to the tomatoes on the fire. If you don't want to use tomatoes, you can skip it. I added it so that when you want to use it for rice or yam, anything at all, it will be nice, okay? It will be okay for it. So if you don't want to add tomatoes, you can skip it. You can also use red bell pepper. Remember to always stir it so that it will not burn. Always stir it. And if you know you like a lot of oil in your soup, you can add more oil. You saw the one I used just now. You add the oil before frying the melon seed. Not later you say, okay, it's not enough, let me add. No, it will not be good. So I'm stirring it again to make sure it's not burning at the bottom of the pot. Now you can see it's ready now. I mean, it's well cooked. The soup look very thick. I'm still going to add water. If you want your own very thick like so, you don't need to add water. So I'm adding fish. Watch this video to the end, like and share. If you have not subscribed to my channel, you can subscribe, please. I have other videos on my channel, how to make puff puff, meat pie, buns. Yes, how to make Nigeria buns without egg. I have the video on my channel. You will like it. So I'm slicing my veggies, which is spinach, because it's time to add it to the soup. Look at the soup. Yeah, this soup was already smelling nice. Wow, I was like, this is going to be very delicious. So I'm adding the vegetables. You can also use bitter leaf. If you prefer using bitter leaf, you can add bitter leaf or scent leaf. Look at the soup, so delicious. I don't want too much of oil in my soup. You can go and check other of my soup. You will see that I used to use a lot of oil. I don't use a lot of oil because too much of oil is not healthy in the body. So just make sure there is oil in your soup, not excess. Not the one that will be on top of your soup. As you are taking soup, you are packing oil. Where are you sending it to? You are sending it to your body. It's not too healthy. Just use little oil. And remember, I also added vegetable oil is also there. So it's not good to cook with plenty of oil. How to make fufu, I have it on my channel. How to use oat milk to make fufu, I also have it on my channel. You can go and check it out. How to make Nigeria buns, you can check it out. Thanks for watching the video. Bye.